Thanks for getting this video, and here is Ositech. So I've already made a video on how you can make money on TikTok a long time ago, and just check in the comment section. That link to that video will be there in the comment section. So comment section or the description, the link will be there for you to watch how you can just make money from TikTok. So this one is very simple and very brief. Let me show you this, and if you're new, subscribe, like this video, and I'll bring you more. So to make money from TikTok, Sound.me can help you make money from TikTok. And Sound.me, what it does, it will allow you to use sound. It will give you sound, and as you use the sound on the videos on TikTok, they pay you for using that sound on TikTok. And one thing is, they pay for using the sound alone and nothing else. So if you are a TikTok content creator and then you do dancing, you do choreography and those styles, it will help you. But people like us, it will not favor us, because for us, we don't use sound in our videos for that long. And also, they tell you what to do. Okay, they give you like tasks to perform, and as you do that with the song, okay, then they will pay you for that. So let me show you and let me explain everything to you right here. And if you're new to this account, make sure you follow, like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll bring you more right here on TikTok. Let's start. Just go to your browser and enter sound.me. When you go to sound.me, they will ask you to log in to your TikTok account. So just tap on it, and then they will ask you to connect your TikTok account to sound.me. So just tap on connect TikTok account down here. After that, it will send you to a new display, and then you see something like this. They will ask you to use any of these to log into your TikTok account. So select any one of these, and when you come here, you will see we have phone to log into accounts, or we have the email or username to log in. So select any one of your choice, and make sure you are on tiktok.com. tiktok.com, make sure you are there before you enter your details right there. So let me enter my number right here, since I'm choosing the phone to log in. So when you enter your phone number, then you just tap on log in. Kindly give me a like and subscribe for more videos. So when you come here, you're just going to do some verification. So you just slide this one to just fix like everything to be perfect as you see on the screen, and then they will send you 6-digit code as you see on the screen, and then you enter the 6-digit code right here. So when you enter the 6-digit code, it will automatically log in, and if you have turned on two-step verification, you get the information right there. Okay, and if you don't know how to turn on the two-step verification, I'll make a video on it. It will be in the comment section. Just try and check to see whether it is there. So after that, just tap on next down there after you've entered your verification code by using the email. So you are now going to authorize Sound.me to get access to your TikTok account. Since it is something like a promotion, they have to get access to your account to know your analytics. So just tap on authorize right here, and after that, you'll be logged into Sound.me. When you see this pop up, just ignore. On the top right corner, you can see the cancellation sign. Just tap on it to just close that tab. Okay, so now this is our profile. You can see I've earned nothing. Okay, and when you look down here, we have something like a sound, the monetization sign, we have the question sign, and also the profile sign. So let's go to the sound sign, and when you come here, you will see some of these. Sometimes when you register for the first time, you not see some of these things. So don't worry when you see nothing there. As time goes on, you'll be sent notification to check. Okay, so you can see this one. I'll get $7. If you are in Ghana, you get to know that there's around 70 to 80 cedis, and we have one two here, $14, which is around 160 cedis for just one video. So when you tap on it, it will bring you all the details about the video, what you are going to do in the video. Sometimes the video may require that you use a bike, sit on a bike, and then do this, dance this style. Like they'll give you the task, and when you complete the task, you post the video on TikTok with the sound under it. They will then pay you right here, and then you can just withdraw through your PayPal account. And you can also delete your account. Just go to your profile, and then you can see delete account to delete your Sound.me account right there. Thanks for watching, and check on the screen for more things about TikTok. Okay, and I'll see you again. Also, stay alive. See you next time.